Very nice. Custom build box?
Yeah.
A little warm?
Oh yeah. They get warm fast.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can you turn it down real quick? So what's your name, man? What's in here?
Christian, and I've got 2 Elite 15s, American base. Okay. Tar amps, 3K, 2 batteries, mids and highs. Simple setup. Nothing crazy.
Any kind of electrical upgrades?
0 gauge all the way around. 4 channel tar amps on the components. That's about it.
Any extra battery?
Yeah, got an extra battery.
Okay.
And then a bigger alternator.
What size alt?
250 amp.
Okay. Is this what kind of box tuning do you have?
I think it's about 32.
32?
The guy said it was built.
Okay. I'll see the box after. Awesome. And you're wired to 1 ohm on it? Okay. Sweet. Really?
Yeah, I just put this together.
This is a huge show for a first show.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's normally not this big either. This is a really big turnout.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think it sounds good, man. 37, 38 hertz, or what frequency is it doing go down? Do you know?
It likes that.
It does?
Yeah.
It does? I guess, right? Okay, awesome. Thank you for the demo. Can I see the back?
Yeah, I'll show you one more.
Oh, one more then. Okay, yeah. I'll hear one more first.
It really likes this one.
Okay. What's the song called?
Money Man.
All right.
Sometimes I just feel worthless, like everything's my fault. But then my dad told me.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a good one too. Yeah, man.
For 3K.
Yes, sir. You're doing good. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Sorry. Some bass makes you sneeze.
Yeah, I know. That's been tickling my nose all freaking day.
Yep. Very nice. Custom build box.
Yeah.
A little warm.
Oh yeah. They get warm fast.
Do you know the cubic space on it? How big the box is?
I think it's 3.5 or so. So 7.
Okay.
I think it's what it was.
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah, it came out good.
It looks good, man. Can I see is the amps behind it?
It ain't the cleanest thing in the world.
It's okay. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah, man. some toys in there, everything.
It's all good, man. Makes it work.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Christian.
Christian. Thank you, Christian. Sundown 21 show. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.